Good morning and happy Movember 1st. Well, why did I say Movember 1st? Today is a day that a lot of men are going to go clean shaven for No Shave November to help raise awareness for men's health issues like prostate cancer, testicular cancer, mental health awareness, and suicide prevention. Today I'll be shaving for the last time in November, and no, the mustache is going to stay, but I will grow the beard out. Yep. Today I'm going to be using my Death Grip shave soap. This has African tea tree oil in it. This is great for your skin. There she is. This is my Parker Safety Razors adjustable variant with the dial going from 1 to 5 to change the aggressiveness. Soak your brush 30 to 60 seconds in warm water, not hot. Hot can loosen up the adhesive that holds your bristles in. Safety razors will last you decades. Once you make the initial purchase, after that, all it is replacement blades. You change out the replacement blade every 3 to 5 shaves. Like marshmallow. Shave side, not shave side. And yes, sometimes you have to make butthole faces in order to tighten up the skin. A lot of times in my comments, I see a lot of confusion about the fact that facial hair grows in different directions. And so you have to shave in the different directions for the closest shave. What do I mean? So I've already shaved this direction. Now let's check against the growth. If shaving the other directions irritates your skin, then I don't recommend that you do it. The key is light pressure and make sure you have a good angle, about 30 to 45 degrees for the blade towards the skin. More butthole faces. Well, it seems that I forgot to pack my alum block, but that's okay. I'm going to rinse this off and use a shave oil as part of my shave care. Onto the shave oil. This has African tea tree oil in it. This is going to help soothe my skin and keep it from drying out. Now, blow dry your comically large mustache. That is what you call BBS, baby butt smooth. Wow, that is a great shave. Again, happy Movember 1st. If you want to know more about Movember, make sure you go over and check out their site. They're a wonderful global organization that raises funds and awareness to men's health issues like testicular cancer, prostate cancer, mental health awareness, and suicide prevention. During the month of Movember, most guys don't shave after shaving on the 1st to raise awareness with their facial hair. So you can do more with your very large mustache.